wait, this is their fence, right?
Big Cat.
Big Cat, that's right. Big Cat's on
Oh, no, that's right.
That's why I go away. Wait a minute, this is not Big Cat.
Stewie Vuitton with his first redfish.
Finally, I got a red. Hi, buddy.
Very nice.
A keeper, but it's back in the water. Pretty water.
So yeah, it's a better way to spend a Friday at work. I don't think we should go back. I think we're just gonna stay.
Part of the crew now, guys.
Yeah.
And let's bring a rod tip over to me. We're gonna boat flip them right in. Look up, look up, look up. Bam!
Snooker.
Boat flip. Alrighty. Nice one. Give him a little vice grip squeeze. Nice.
Yes. Woohoo. Good times.
That'd be pretty cool.
That is kind of cool idea.
I'll try. Do you want these? Do you want these?
No, there's not.
There's got something happening over here. We want to see what's happening.
I was about to say, it might be on.
Or she made catching the rock look really good.
Yeah.